friends, now we are going to start the question answers of the chapter The Fight, which is the chapter number 6, English Supplement Reader. So now let us start. So here we are on the first question of page number 49, comparison check. The first question is, in what way is the forest pool different from the one which Ranji knew in the Rajputana desert? The meaning of this question is that what is the difference between both of the pools, the forest pool and the other pool in the Rajputana desert? Okay. So here is the answer. The first one, in the Rajputana desert, the pool was sticky and muddy, where women washed the clothes or buffaloes wallowed. But forest pool was clean, cold, and inviting. So Ranji leaped into the water for swimming. Okay, this is the answer. The answer's meaning is as follows: that in Rajputana desert, the pool was very sticky and it was full of mud, and because of mud it was muddy, and the women washed their clothes over there, and the buffaloes take bath over there. But the forest pool was full of clean, cool, and it was very beautiful and inviting. That's why Ranji leaped into the water for the swimming. Okay, this was the first question. Now here is our second question. The other boy asked Ranji to explain him. What did he accept Ranji to say? Was he, in your opinion, right or wrong to ask this question? So now here is the answer, friends, that the other boy Suraj expected Ranji to say sorry, and Suraj was a bad boy and he was wrong to prevent Ranji from using the pool. Okay, the pool was common property for all of the peoples. Here is the third question. Between Ranji and the other boy, who is trying to start a quarrel? Give a reason for your answer. Yeah. Here, friends, it is Suraj who starts the quarrel. He asks Ranji to run away from the pool. He even threatens to beat him. So, Suraj is starting the fight. Okay. Yeah. Now here is the fourth question. Then we will have to continue the fight, said the other. What made him say that? Did the fight continue? If not, then why not? Suraj spoke the above words because he was trying, but Ranji didn't. But he did not want to spare Ranji, who refused to accept the defeat. So he deferred the fight for the next day. No, friends, the fight didn't continue the next day. But Suraj and Ranji needed each other's help. So they compromised. Suraj asked Ranji to teach him to dive and swim under the water, while Ranji agreed to become a wrestler with the help of Suraj. Okay, this was the both of the each other helped their self, and then the fight didn't continue. Here we are on the comparison check of page number 53. There are 8 questions in it, and as here are the answers. You can check them also. So, what is it that Ranji finds difficult to explain at home? This is the first question. And second is, Ranji sees his adversary in the bazaar. What does he wish to do? Adversary means his opponent or his enemy. Okay. What does he actually do and why? Third question is, Ranji is not at all eager for a second fight. Why does he go back to the pool then? Who was the better swimmer? How do you know it? What surprises the warrior? Now that they are at the pool, why don't they continue the fight? Ranji's superiority over the other boy is obvious in the following: physical strength, good diving. He is being a fighter, sense of humor, swimming underwater, making a good point of willingness to help. Underline the relevant phrases. This also we will do. What according to you make the two adversaries turn into good friends in a matter of minutes? Explain it as you have to understand. This you have to do, friends. I will only do the 7 questions. Okay, so here we are on the first question. Yes. Up to here we will do, not the next one. Ranji had several cuts and bruises on his face and arms. So friends, Ranji had several cuts. Several cuts means many cuts, and bruises. Bruises are small blooding parts on his face and arms, and he finds it difficult to explain the injuries at the home. This was the thing that he find difficult to explain at the home. Second question, first part is that at the first, Ranji felt like turning away and looked the other way. His second thought was to hit his enemy with the lemonade bottle. He actually stands his ground and only scowls at his opponent or at his adversary. Okay. Third question was that Ranji decides to go back to the pool to gain his self-respect, and if he surrenders now, then he will be beaten for all the time. Means he wants to get back his self-respect, as he's thinking that if he will not go, then the boy Suraj will just think that he was just a loser, and he will not come back again. He had surrendered. Question number 4 is, as Ranji was decidedly the better swimmer. He knew it when he swims across the pool, as his opponent says. He dived for long into the water. Yes, Ranji is better swimmer than the other one, because as the opponent says him to come to the other side of the pool, he dived into the water and he swam underwater and he reached to the other point, but the other couldn't do this thing. Ranji executes another perfect dive, swimming underwater. He circles Suraj and comes upon him from behind. The warrior Suraj is surprised to see the Ranji's skill. This was the answer, friends. At the pool, the two contestants forgot to continue the fight. Their interest shifts to swimming and swinging and diving. Swimming means diving, friends. And question number 7 is good diving. This you have to underline. These all in the book only. Good diving, swimming underwater, willingness to help, sense of humor. Thank you, friends. And these were all the question and answers that I have told you. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day, friends. Thank you.